Hey guys, I just want to jump on and go over the background for a story that you're going to read today. Otherwise, it's not going to make a lot of sense. So, last week we started reading excerpts from the book Home of the Brave. And if you will recall from that, Kek is the main character. He is a young boy who has just arrived in the US as a refugee from South Sudan. He goes to stay with his aunt, who has also come over to the US as a refugee, but she has arrived before he does, and she is with her son. So Kek has a cousin there that's also staying with them. His name is Ganwar, so they're both refugees. Kek is about 8 years old. Ganwar never says how old he is. He's a little bit older. So in the passage you're going to read today, you are going to see them having a conversation back and forth. It actually doesn't use quotation marks, but you'll be able to follow who's saying what. And you're going to get Ganwar's opinion of the camp and what life is like now and what he believes in, as well as Kek's. And you'll be able to tell the age difference between them as they're discussing. But I just wanted to let you know who Ganwar is because he hasn't come up yet. So he is Kek's cousin, also a refugee. So the passage you're going to read is called Night. It's actually a little bit longer than what you're seeing on the screen. What you're going to be doing with that, as we've been practicing for the past couple days, is figuring out the main topic, and then from there, what is the message about that main topic, which is going to tell you your theme statement. So just a quick reminder about the background of what you're reading.